Today, I'm going to show you Kosmik built-in web browser. So one of the cool things with Kosmik is that you can clip and bookmark pages using our built-in web browser, which means that you don't have to switch to another app when doing a mood board or doing visual research. To open the browser, just press W on your keyboard or click on the first icon in the bar at the bottom. And we're going to create a new page. Kosmik web browser support tabs. Just click on that icon here and you can create a new tab. And you can search on Google. You can change the search engine that we're using by default in your settings, but here I'm going to use Google. So I'm going to go on Pinterest. And I'm going to add images to my mood board. To do that, I can just click on the capture button here. I can also activate the capture mode by pressing Command or Control on Windows, Shift 2. And I can click, and click to capture images directly on my canvas. And so what's super cool is that I've just added those images to my canvas. They are auto-tagged. We're going to talk about that in the next video. I can go back to the source. So here I know they come from Pinterest and they're now in my Kosmik workspace and I can reuse them and I will never lose their sources and I can search for them easily. So this is Kosmik built-in web browser. We hope you'll like it. And as always, if you need any help, just email us and we'll be in touch super soon. Bye.